Why can a great blazer, well-cut trousers and expensive shoes still look completely wrong together? How can a $1,000 outfit look cheaper than a $100 one? And why can a color combination look expensive on someone else but completely wrong on you? In this video, I have put together 5 main techniques for combining colors in your wardrobe that will make your outfits look more elegant and more expensive. Hello, my name is Oleyné, I'm personal stylist. Technique 1. Build your outfit around a neutral base and add one accent. The safest way to work with colors is to begin by creating a base of neutral shades: white, blue, gray, cream, brown, green. All of these colors have an endless number of shades. When we talk about brown, for example, its spectrum can range from beige to chocolate brown. Even if you use only basic colors, but use their full range of shades, you will be able to create a huge number of combinations. In classic menswear, navy and gray are seen as more formal and more suitable for business, while brown and green look more relaxed and informal. A white shirt usually looks more formal than a pale blue one, and the texture of the fabric can also change the level of formality. If we look at a man wearing a pale blue shirt and grey trousers, we probably can describe his outfit as stylish. Good? Yes, but stylish? No. This is because the outfit doesn't include any additional or more complex elements that would make it truly stylish. But if you add layers to the outfit, a cardigan, a coat or a turtleneck, the outfit will look more stylish. Muted complex colors such as olive, rust orange or dusty purple are easier to include in everyday wardrobe than their brighter versions, because visually they are closer to neutral colors. It is easier to introduce a more saturated color through an accessory first. For example, a charcoal grey coat, white knitwear, burgundy shoes. The outfit remains formal, but burgundy makes it less predictable than ordinary black shoes. To make your style less predictable, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here you will elevate your style not only through the way you dress, but through the way you live as well. Technique 2. Use the 3-color rule, but don't treat it as a law. However, this rule doesn't always work either. For example, imagine the following outfit: a navy blazer, a white shirt, a burgundy tie, grey trousers, brick-colored socks and chocolate brown loafers. Many people would agree that this is a beautiful outfit, but if you count the colors, there are more than 5. And this is exactly what style is about. It is your visual experience, your understanding of how color works, your understanding of the texture of the garment, and also your subscription on my Instagram page. It is important not to count every tiny detail, but the main blocks of color. For example, black is the main color, olive is a supportive color, red is a small accent. The main rule is: create a hierarchy. One color should dominate, the second should support it, the third should appear in the details. Imagine an outfit that includes bright blue trousers, a red jacket, a yellow jumper, green trainers. The problem is not only the number of colors, the problem is that each of them is trying to become the main one. It is like a film in which every actor is trying to play the leading role. You would agree that such a film would be impossible to watch, but watching the main character of this channel, that is me, is always interesting. So give this video a like to support the channel. There are warm and cool shades of color, and I'm sure you have heard about this as well. In general, the same color can be either cool or warm. For example, this is important when we talk about texture and natural fabrics. Flannel usually has a slight melange effect. This means is that several other colors can exist within one main color, and they should also be considered when you are putting an outfit together. I don't recommend combining cool and warm shades in the same outfit. For example, if you choose a navy blazer with a cool undertone, choose beige trousers with a cool undertone as well. And if you don't want to think about how to combine all these pieces correctly, and you simply need a good attractive outfit at a completely reasonable price, book a personal wardrobe consultations with me through the email in the video description. I will create an excellent outfit for you for any occasion or event. I look forward to working with you. Technique 3. Create monochromatic and tonal outfits. A monochromatic outfit is an outfit built around one color. Tonal dressing means combining several similar shades of the same color. This is one of the easiest way to make an outfit look visually complete and expensive. However, the clothes shouldn't all be exactly the same shade. It is the difference between light, medium and dark tones that creates a depth. A grey monochromatic outfit, a light grey turtleneck, mid-grey flannel trousers, a charcoal grey coat, black shoes, a brown monochromatic outfit, a taupe t-shirt, a grayish-brown shade, a coffee brown suede jacket, chocolate brown trousers, dark brown boots. Brown works as a neutral color, and combining lighter and darker shades of brown allows you to create a tonal outfit without making it look like a uniform. A green monochromatic outfit, a sage green shirt, olive trousers, a dark green jacket, brown shoes. To avoid looking like an employee at a military warehouse, the shades of green should be different from one another, and it is better to keep at least one item neutral. The texture rule: the closer the colors are, the more important the difference between the materials becomes. Combined wool, smooth cotton, suede, leather, corduroy, knitwear. Different textures make a monochromatic outfit look more dimensional. When all the clothes are the same color and also have the same weight and texture, the outfit can look flat. For example, a grey cotton long sleeve top, grey wool trousers and a graphite coat look more interesting than three almost identical items made from smooth cotton. Technique 4. Create contrast through lightness, not only through the color wheel. One of the most reliable principles in a men's wardrobe is a dark element, a light element and a medium neutral shade. For a classic or smart casual outfit, the following combination works especially well: a dark blazer, a light shirt, medium tone trousers, dark shoes, a dark lower half, the trousers, and a lighter upper half, or a dark upper half and a light lower half. I recommend choosing a light upper half and a dark lower half. This will make the color combinations work much better. Why does this work? The eye immediately sees the structure of the outfit. The darker elements frame the body. The light shirt brightens the face. The medium tone trousers connected the upper half with the shoes. Here are some ready-made combinations: navy, pale blue, mid-gray, dark brown, a navy blazer, a pale blue shirt, a mid-gray trousers, dark brown shoes. This is a classic and most versatile option. Technique 5. Echo colors throughout the outfit. You wear burgundy socks, a burgundy turtleneck, beige trousers and dark brown shoes. This is an excellent combination because similar colors are echoed throughout the outfit. You will not be able to match the color exactly. Simply choose shades that are approximately similar. Many men are afraid of striped or checked garments because they don't know what to combine them with to make the outfit look harmonious. The solution is simple. Choose the other items in one of the colors that already appears in a pattern of the main garment. For example, in a pattern of a blazer or jumper. Remember that clothing a special color should be chosen for a particular situation. For example, a green suit may look strange at work or during business negotiations, but for friend's wedding it can be an excellent choice. 5 rules in one formula. To check a color combination in men's outfit quickly, ask yourself 5 questions. Do I have a natural base? Which color is the main one? Are several bright colors competing with one another? Are the temperature and saturation of the shades compatible? Is there clear contrast or color repetition between the upper and the lower parts of the outfit? And most importantly, the color wheel may be useful in theory, but it doesn't take into account saturation, the amount of space each color takes up, texture, the fit of the clothes or the context. That is why red and green can look elegant in the form of a dark green coat and a small burgundy scarf, and completely different in the form of a bright green jacket and red trousers. For this reason, I don't recommend relying on the color wheel when choosing clothes and putting outfits together. Instead, relying on my YouTube channel. Here I always share good color combinations that will definitely improve your outfits. So subscribe to the channel, give this video a like and share it with your friends.